Bonjour, c'est Clara French in the Midlands. This video is to show you why you should stop saying c'est bon in some cases and when it's safe to use it. Now, just before we start, I want to mention briefly you can claim your free ebook, The 12 Golden Rules of French, at the link in the description. It's full of tips on how to speak French like a native speaker. Now, first of all, let's have a look when not to use c'est bon. The most common mistake is people using it to mean it's okay or I'm okay. You can never ever use c'est bon for that. If I ask you comment va ton travail, you would say ça va bien, merci. How is work? It's okay, thank you. You would never ever use c'est bon because you're not eating your work, okay? So ça va bien is enough. Comment vont les enfants? Ils vont bien, merci. How are the children? They're okay, thank you. Now, another mistake I get in this instance is people say ils sont bien instead of ils vont bien. Now, ils sont bien would mean there are good kids by nature. I'm not asking you here if your kids are good or not. I'm asking you how they are at the moment. That's why you have to reply ils vont bien. Ces chaussures ne sont pas trop serrées? Non, ça va. Are these shoes a bit tight? No, they're fine. You see, in all these instances, when you want to say it's okay, it's fine, ça va will do. Also, you should not use c'est bon in the following contexts. For instance, when you want to say je suis contente de te revoir, it's good to see you again. In French, you don't say it's good, you say I'm glad to see you again. If you ever use by mistake c'est bon in there, it would have a slight connotation that you're attracted to that person maybe, so it's better not to even go there. Tu as eu 20 sur 20 en dictée? C'est très bien. You got a 20 out of 20 in your spelling test? That's very good. Again, you use bien here, not bon. Magali est une fille bien. Magali is a good person. Literally, it says she's a good girl, but actually it's to qualify the character of the person you're talking about, so it's a good person. You could use the same if it was a boy or a man. C'est un garçon bien, or c'est un homme bien. It's to qualify their personality. Now, let's have a look when you can use c'est bon. You can use it to mean it works for me. For instance, tu es libre mercredi prochain? Oui, mercredi c'est bon. You can also use ça va. Okay, personally, I use ça va for that, but that's entirely up to you. Are you free next Wednesday? Yes, Wednesday works for me. You could also have to use it to mean it's good for something, like les légumes, c'est bon pour la santé. Vegetables are good for your health. It's fine, there's no trap there. You could also use it for physical sensations, and that's the main use of c'est bon. When you want to say what you're eating is good, ce bœuf bourguignon est très bon. This beef bourguignon is really good. That's fine, that's when you use it. 90% of the time you will use it for physical sensations. We also use it to mean that's enough. For instance, c'est bon, je vais m'arrêter là. Say somebody keeps refilling your glass of wine and you go, that's enough, I'll stop drinking now. That's fine to use it then. And that's it for now. Please give me a like if you've enjoyed it, and I'll see you in the next video. À bientôt!